Here we have an American camper van. It's based on the Chevrolet Express. It's quite a common thing in America. I mean, the Express van is like the equivalent of the Transits over here. And but these are like being converted into a camper van. It's done when it was brand new. So this is a 2002 model vehicle. So it's obviously been done, 23 years ago. So the customers basically brought it into us and he just wanted a few upgrades done to it. First of all, the mobilisation for insurance purposes, which is what we've done. Also a new stereo, reverse camera, and he wanted front and rear dash cam and a few USB ports dotted there. Now you think, well, that's pretty straightforward, and ordinarily that would be pretty straightforward, but in this, oh, what an absolute nightmare. But anyway, it's a nice colour one. Normally when I have these in, they're normally like a beigey, bronzy colour. So it's quite refreshing to see it in this sort of colour. It's quite nice and bright. It's quite nice. Well, I've got a Chevy van, and basically we're in the process of changing the stereo. So we're at this stage at the moment. We also have to do reverse camera. That basically places that there. And there's various bits and pieces when it's doing, like USB sockets and stuff like that. So the main thing is immobilisation and stereo replacement, reverse camera, dash cams. So it's just got to be all routed through here, which is not going to be the most easiest thing to do. But we get cracking on with it. So once you have a look around, so if you sort of come in here, so that's the actual camper van. If I jump in, if I just turn the lights on here so I've got a bit of visibility. So it's things like here, you wanted like a USB port here, one over there, so one over here, there's a couple over here, so it's just dotted around basically. Got a new Pioneer stereo that we installed, as you can see that in the front dash. Next to it is a receptacle for the Category 2 Thatch Improved Immobiliser. So that's an American camper van based on a Chevrolet Express van.